Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a date-nut bread. It's a one-bowl bread. This recipe originally was with 3 eggs. I think they probably were really small chickens, but it was 3 eggs and it was a cup of boiled milk. 3/4 of a cup of orange or apple juice, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, a splash of vanilla, a cup of dates. You want to get them halved because you don't want to eat the pit accidentally that might be in them. A cup or 3/4 of a cup of walnuts or pecans, 2 tablespoons of butter or shortening of some type, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. 1 greased, unfloured pan. Turn your oven on to 350 degrees. Into the bowl, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and it's got to be soft butter. Teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda, egg, orange juice. You bring that over to the mix. Start this off slow just to start it mixing, and then turn it up. Put in your splash of vanilla. Add your walnuts and your dates. This is going into the oven for 1 hour. To make a glaze for this, half a cup of confectionary sugar, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of water, make sure that it's very smooth, put it into the refrigerator. It's been an hour. Let's see what we're looking at. That's not ready. Almost. At this point, I'm going to shut off the oven and leave it just sit there for about 5 minutes, and then I'll take it out. Clean knife. Clean knife. Before this cools down too much, I'm going to put its glaze on because I don't want a thick glaze. And this just melts it into the top. And you don't have to use a glaze. This one happens to be a gift for somebody, so it's getting glazed. I use a piece of parchment paper so that it doesn't make too much of a mess.